our league. Later on, Zeus and PLDT get entangled. And here's the first serve in play. Oops, nagkabanggaan. Aga. Cobb sets up Laksina.
There you go, the urgency for Akari.
Kakahiwalay-hiwalay. You need the leaders to settle you down. In the meantime, the serve. Bakis has to dig down deep. Romero stretches for it.
Free ball.
Ito si Romero. On two, they get their first point.
Yeah.
As the captain of this team, she said this is an opportunity to learn from each other. Nabanggit nyo nga na they are trying to find themselves, this Farm Fresh squad. So her growth mindset proves to be crucial for Louie. Lalo't na ngayon, marami ang palitan ng tao. So for example, if it's Rad or Jolene.
Yeah, and let's see if they can develop that rhythm for each spiker and what each one needs. 3 points by Laksina of the 5 of Akari already. Here comes the set. They want to go to Laksina, and she has scored 4 already.
4 points from attack, 100% pa.
Wala akong ibig sabihin, ganun lang talaga ang volleyball. So meantime, I'm sure Michelle Cobb will continue to go to Laksina. And meanwhile, Tubo, that's on the ground. Faith was about a half a foot away from it to make it a dig, a swing away. 8-4. 3 straight points by the Foxies. That will be 4 straight.
And with Dakis nga napag-usapan.
Alam naman ni Rad kung kailan to switch it on. Laksina gets it to go again.
You do not leave Ivy Laksina.
She has 6 of the 9 so far of Akari in the opening set. Tubu is blocked, but it's blocked away. Nisperos hitting it out.
Did you see how fast yung palo?
In the meantime, 9-6 po ang bilang natin. Azareno on the receiving end. Nisperos nips it in. And they'll take care of their 10 point.
Only one block.
Lumilipad
Tapos kaliwete pa.
Yes. Princess Matrigal with that serve. That spike is handled calmly. Soyud stretching for it. Louis sets it up. The whip is handled well by the defense. It's in the air.
Another free ball.
Victoria will send it over. Tubo cross. Pwede, pero running out of space. Kaya marami ho kami rito parang nagtutulungan kami. Laksina with the dig. Soyud.
Inside.
Ayun, sabi sa inyo, 90 yan eh.
Great.
Muntik na.
Oh.
Muntik na. Nice spike. But in play and it's hit out. That's perfectly delivered.
I think Farm Fresh Foxes needs those strong spikes kasi nga gumaganda yung defense ni Akari.
Bertolano reaching for it. This is hijacked. They recycle the offense. They dip it over. It's in the air. Laksina cut shot. Romero resets. Tubo fires to the back row to Nisperos. Laksina, yes! Finding the open spot, and Laksina now with 8. First set. Serve in play from Victoria. Tubu. Soyud, good dig. Laksina. And Laksina now with 9.
I think she's back to 100% spike.
Tawa lang sila ng tao. Kasi kung minsan alam ng setter ko anong gagawin. In the meantime, one hand on it that time. You just have to be lucky sometimes, and that created the 11th point.
Nice serve.
Nice set. And that created that opportunity.
And
Madrigal
again,
scores.
yes, and again, yun